So hello guys, how are you? My name is Vedansh and I welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel, in my educational channel Talent Trainer. So guys, if you are someone who want to improve your English speaking skill and also your experience, if the answer of this question is yes, then this video is only for you. Please watch this video till the end because in this video I will told you that how you can improve your English speaking skill in an easy way without any difficulty. So guys, before starting this video, I want to told you something about myself. So my name is Vedansh Kushwaha and currently I am studying in 11th standard. I am 16 years old. I am a student of UP board completing my high school from Hindi medium inter. So now your question is that I am from Hindi medium, so why my English speaking is so much good? I told you about this in the video. Please watch my video till the end. So hello everyone, I started my video with two questions which you mostly asked me. As you know, if any person want to improve their English speaking, he or she have only two questions which is very important. The first question is that from where I have to start my English speaking, and the second question is that I have nobody who helped me to improve my English speaking, so what I can do. So guys, in this video I will told you the true answer of these two questions with very perfect example. Okay guys, so start our video from the first question, which is how we can improve our English speaking from beginning. Just sitting on a chair and go in the past. In the past, in the past time, you see that you are only 3 or 4 months old and you are just lying on a bed. So at this time you don't know how to speak, you don't know how to express your feelings. The people surrounded you, they want to told you something in his or her language. As you become grow and grow, the people surrounded you will speak in a different language. You also understand the language by hearing it. If you really want to improve your English speaking skill, then you need to hear it, you need to listen it. So where from you listen? You can watch Netflix movies, you can watch cartoon movies in English, because when you watch the Netflix movies, cartoon movies, dramas in English, this will improve your hearing skill. Because as you know, if you want to speak English, so you need to hear it. Because same just as learning your mother tongue language, you know that from beginning you hear it, and then you start to speak. Same as English, first of all you need to hear it. Once you will be able to hear the English words, understand the English word, then your next step is reading. You just simply take a book of any standard. I want to suggest you that please took a book at least the class of 4th, 5th or 6th, because this book is so much easy. You can understand all the English word in this book. Try to speak this book, try to read this book, because when you're trying to read something in English, then it also developed your mind. Because when you see any word and then you try to speak it by your tongue, by your mouth, so a positive message gone to your mind, and your mind also attract with them, because you are doing something new. So just simply took a book and start to read it. Once you will be able to read, then the next step is speaking. Because you know, if you really want to escape your hesitation, then you need to speak. So now your next question is that from where I speak? Because I have no any friend, I have no any relative, I have no any idea, so what I can do? So now this is our second question. When I want to speak English in front of someone, he laugh me or he ignore me, so what I can do? From where I do practice for improving my English speaking? I want to told you that today is a digital world. Everyone have mobile phones. If there are a person in your family who have mobile phone, or if you have mobile phone, because if you have mobile phone, so you are able to see or watch my video. So please use this mobile phone for improving your English speaking. How I can improve my English speaking by mobile? So there are so many applications are available in the mobile phone. you can install some applications by searching on Play Store like English speaking application. So you can found a lot of application. You can download one or two application for English speaking. So by this application you can practice English by talking the people inside the India as well as from the outside of India. Okay, so this is my first video I made for you. In this video I will told you that how you can improve your English speaking. I solved the two question in this video. The first question is that how we can start our English speaking from beginning. I give you three steps in the answer of this question. The first step is watching. In this you can watch Netflix movies, cartoon movies, each extra in English language. The next step is reading. In this step you can read some books, you can read some magazines, you can read stories, each extra in English language. And the next step is speaking. In this step you can improve your English speaking by speaking, so on the mobile, on the applications, each extra. And now your second question is that from where I want to improve your English speaking, because I have no any friend, relative, each extra. So I give you a suggestion. Then you can use your mobile. You can just simply download some applications. There are so many applications available on the Play Store. You can you can install this application and try for this, because when you are trying, because you know this quote, this practice make a man perfect. So just trying and do a lot of practice, because it will improve your English speaking. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and also comment, because you know that I am also a beginner like you. I am just teach you, just guide you. So please subscribe my channel and relate with me. I am also a person who does not take any coaching classes, who does not going for any online coaching classes, offline coaching classes for improving my English, because I improve my English by myself, and I know that I will also improve my English. You will also improve your English like me. I will also improve my English like the other peoples who are famous. Okay guys, I meet you again in the next video with any other topic. So just once say again, please subscribe my channel, like my video, share it with your friends who want to improve his or her English speaking like you. Tata, bye bye.